Hello everyone, just wanted to give you an update on this auction here. This auction will take place starting August 3rd and will be ending Wednesday, August 10th. On this auction, we have a 1963 Thunderbird convertible, as you're looking at right now. This is just a beautiful, beautiful car. The body, the engine, the interior has been all completely redone. The only thing that's not been rebuilt is the transmission. Everything else has been done in this car. The top is original, so the top does have some issues, but it's not leaking, it's not causing any problems. But the top is something that at some point down the line might need to be replaced. Other than that, this is just a beautiful, beautiful car. Again, it's a 1963 T-Bird convertible. Beautiful, beautiful condition. Nice and straight. Good running car, as you can hear it running right now. It does come with some extra parts as well. There is another front bumper cover for it. I didn't see, there's a couple of small areas in the paint where it's starting to bubble a little bit, but nothing major. It's up by some of the seams. I mean, just listen to that rumble. Love that rumble on these cars. Right here, we're going to give you some views of the interior. Nice and clean. Interior has all been redone. Sorry about that car cover that's in there. It's got the hard top cover for the back seat. Beautiful interior job. Get my shadow out of there. Even on the doors. Doors closed nice and tight if you do it right. As you can see, I mean, there's some spots like right here. Very, very minor. Car is going to come with some other pictures of it as well. We'll get the hood open here for you. You want to open the hood for me here? Then I'll pull.
There's one bottom.
There we go. There you go. As you can see, it's got a 390 running like a top. Engine compartment is nice and clean. Running nice and smooth. Just a beautiful car. We'll get you some more actual pictures of it as well that you can see in the description. But again, just a nice, straight, clean. This was a used car. This was a car that was on the road. It's not a show queen. You can see there are some marks on it from where they wrote it and used it, but not a show queen, but still a beautiful, beautiful car. A car anybody would be proud to own and drive. Again, this will be on auction. It will start August 3rd and end Wednesday, August 10th. Go to ridgecrestauctions.com. or give us a call if you have any questions at 810-650-8508. Check out the address of the auction. There will be an open house where you can come see this car in person on Tuesday, August 9th from 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. at the auction location. Again, bid high, bid quick, bid often. This car is going up for auction again. Final date will be August 10th, starting at 6 o'clock. Thank you very much for viewing. Check out the rest of the auction, ridgecrestauctions.com.